So,
Got you, Ray?
Yeah, as I say, that is just they're actually roof slates.
These here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are, aren't
Roof
they?
slates on.
Yeah, yeah.
That there is a quiz. You see that there? They actually get bigger.
They actually get bigger?
Get bigger like apples.
Oh
then
yes.
Then it'll be used for jellies and all kinds of stuff.
Yes. You got loads, haven't you?
This one is a Bramley.
A Brumley?
Yeah, which is a cooking apple. I'll probably get about 30-40 carrier bags on it.
Views ये देखें.
Yeah, they're usually ready for late October, beginning of November.
Get a good picture of them. Wow. Wow. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ये मैं आपको लेके आया था. इसके पास ना ये थोड़ी बीज वगैरह हैं और मैंने सोचा आपको ये दिखाता हूँ. और ये बाबा बहुत अच्छा है, रे नाम है इसका. सो थोड़ा इंग्लिश में भी होगा, आप ज़रूर देखें. Come on then, Ray.
These are eating apples.
Is it the same?
No,
No.
They're for baking.
They're for
and
baking.
cooking.
Right.
They're for eating.
They're for eating.
Yeah.
Right.
And
Okay.
then-
Is it same here? Can I just?
these are,
oh,
yeah.
sorry, I don't want to climb down there.
They're raspberries.
Oh yes, raspberries.
Yeah, and then this one is been going into. See here. They're pears.
They're pears.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can see them. These are good apples. These.
Yeah. Oh, I get loads of them.
Wow.
But they're all organic.
They're all organic.
Everything in the garden's got organic.
Right, right.
And we got these are
Beautiful, beautiful. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
just don't too near it, will you?
Can I just?
Yeah, beehive.
Wow. Can't go close there, can I?
No, there's over 20,000 bees in there.
20,000
Yeah,
bees.
so if they get angry, you get a problem.
Wow. I wish I could get a bit closer. I wish I could get a bit closer, but
If you get a suit on, you can.
oh yeah. Otherwise, I don't think I'm gonna go closer to them. Oh,
Those are Logan berries.
Logan berries.
Yeah.
Oops, be careful.
These ones are the tea berries.
Oh, them ones there.
Yeah.
Right.
Two entirely different tastes. They're onions.
Onions, onions.
Onions there. With some herbs mixed into it.
Wow.
That there is a blueberry.
This one's a blueberry.
Yeah. That there is beetroot.
Beetroot.
These are celery.
Celery.
Yeah.
They just coming up, aren't
Yeah.
they, slowly?
These was gooseberries, but the birds have had them away.
Right.
Those are Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, yeah.
They'll come up. Strawberries over there.
Strawberries in that one?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Some fish in here?
Yeah, there's 5 altogether.
Let's see if I can see any of them.
I'll get some food so it'll come up.
Oh, with the food? So viewers, ये देख लें आप. अच्छा वो उधर बीज जो थी ना शहद की मक्खी, उनके पास मैं लेके नहीं जा सकता इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत ख़तरनाक है. इससे मुंह सूजा होगा बहुत ज़्यादा. ये बंदा अच्छा है तो मैंने सोचा इसके साथ एक व्लॉग बना लेते हैं. बातें थोड़ी कम कर रहा था. अभी इसको ये फूड डालेगा, मछलियों ऊपर आएंगी.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
They'll come up for anything.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Wow.
When the sun shines, the fountains come up.
Yeah. Wow, thanks for that, Ray.
Those are They're specifically for bees.
What, these here?
Yeah, for bees.
Just for bees?
No, all
I
bees,
mean,
butterflies. It's what they call a buddleia.
right. What's it called
A
again?
buddleia.
A buddleia.
Yeah, no, that's a buddleia as well.
This one here.
Be quiet.
Wow. Yeah, got it. Got it. Thanks for that. Yeah?
Those here, in bags, they're potatoes.
Oh, they're all potatoes, aren't they?
Yeah, no, I will take them out in a couple of weeks.
Right.
Take them out and then put more in.
Put more in. Right. Okay.
So
Okay.
I have enough there for. I should have enough there for a couple of months.
Right.
And
Yeah.
then when the others go, I should have enough for another couple of months.
Right.
So
Okay.
just keep going.
That's okay. Nice. Nice.
I've got cabbage here.
Cabbage.
That's all cabbage.
All cabbage.
See, you don't have to have a lot of space to grow anything.
No.
You know, it's just you take what you can.
Yeah.
So,
It's good. It's good. Thanks for showing them.
yeah, I'm all kind in there.
आपको अच्छा तो लगा होगा.
Once I get my polytunnel,
Yeah.
in the greenhouse I've got peppers, I've got chilies, I've got all kinds. But once I get the polytunnel, I'll have the entire range.
Right.
Herbs and
Yeah.
spices. So
Yeah. Oh, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. I hope you liked it. उम्मीद करता हूँ ये अच्छा लगा होगा. थोड़ा सा दिखाया था. तो इंशाल्लाह अगले व्लॉग में और कुछ अच्छी चीज़ दिखाएंगे. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.